Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you sell your crypto for cash into Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance, just simply select any of the crypto that you have which you would like to sell for cash. For example, I'm selecting this Ether for now, and after selecting that, you can see this type of chart into here. Now you can see volume and pricings and every other details from here. Now you just simply have to select sell button at the bottom right corner, and after that you can choose for which currency or cash you would like to sell. In order to choose, just simply select this, and after selecting that, you can choose any of these suitable option and you can search for that. For me, I'm searching for euro, so I search EUR. Now I'm selling for Ethereum, so I have to find ETH/EUR. As you can see here, if I want to convert my Ethereum to euro, I'll select this one. Then after that, it will show the current price right here into euros, and you can select the amount that you would like to sell. Just simply select that and then tap to sell Ethereum or Bitcoin or any other crypto, and then just simply select among these three methods to sell, and then after selecting a method, your crypto will successfully be sold and you will receive the cash. This way you can easily sell your crypto for cash. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.